Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I, Anchal Sethi, welcome you all. Okay, my lovely kids? Okay, so children, we are going to conduct one activity. The activity name is Crazy Lad and Last Activity on Saturday. Okay, so you all have to participate on this activity. It is very funny activity. Okay, so what you have to do in this activity, let me tell you. So children, for this activity you need a A4 size sheet. As you can see here, I have taken one A4 size sheet. You need crayon colors. You need few crayon colors. Okay, you need a crayon colors. You need a watercolors. Okay, watercolors you need, and one Favigum. Okay children, one Favigum and few craft papers. These are the children craft paper. Okay, these are craft paper which we used. Okay, and I will tell you later what you have to do with the craft paper. Okay, this material we have to take for this activity, and I hope this things is already available at your home, right children? Okay, so the what have to do in this activity, Crazy Lad and Last Activity. Okay children, your mother have to draw a lad for you, lad or lass, whatever you like. Okay, your mother have to draw a lad. See how your mother will draw, like this half circle. Okay children, your mother will draw, first of all your mother will draw half circle. Okay, after drawing a half circle, or we can say it curve as well. Tick. After drawing a half circle, your mother will draw small circle. Okay, small circle for eyes. Okay, and she will write 7 for its nose, right? And then now mouth. Okay, now she will draw mouth. Okay, and do like this. And now we will draw a lead body. How we will draw? We will draw two slanting lines, right? And join it with a sleeping line like this, and design it like this. Okay, now we will draw legs like this. Okay, as you can see here, it is very easy to draw for your mother as well, right children? Okay, now it says shoes. Okay, oh, it's looking great. Now hands, we will draw hands. Okay, and the other hand we will draw like this. Okay, so children, our lad is ready. Our lad is ready. And now, okay, we will hold something. This is a basket. Okay, this is a basket on lad's hand. Okay, we will give it design as well. Okay, now your mother will draw the lad for you and outlining it. Okay, and outlining with sketch pen or marker what you have available. Okay, your mother will outlining it as well. Draw and outlining will do your mother only. Okay children, like this, suppose it is done. And now after outlining it, children, now it's your turn to color the picture, to color the lead with a crayon color. Okay children, so you can use crayon colors according to your choice. Okay children, you have to color it like this properly. Okay, you will color it. Okay, everywhere, and you can choose a color of your choice. Okay children, you can choose a color of your choice. And now Suppose it is colored. Now you have to give it crazy look. As our activity name is crazy lad and lass. Okay, lad and lass. So children, I have shown you earlier that we are using this craft paper. So children, I have already cut into the strips. This craft paper I have cut into the strips. आप देख सकते हैं मैम के हाथ में स्ट्रिप्स हैं पतली पतली पेपर्स की, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस एंड you have to apply the favigum. See, you have to apply the lead heads, favigum on the lead heads like this. And this you have to do. Your mother will not do this. You have to apply the gum yourself, children. You have to color the picture yourself and you have to apply the gum yourself. Okay. Now you are going to give crazy look to this lead. Okay. It will look nice. See, just see. Okay, see, you have applied the gum and now you have this strip you have to stick here like this. Okay, see children, I have already done for you. See children, your mother have to, I am again repeating, this activity name is crazy lad and lass activity. Your mother will draw the lad like this, half circle and two small circle, right 7 and small mouth and body, right? And you have to, children, you have to color it. Okay, color it of, you have to use the color of your choice. Okay children, and you have to cut the strips. Your mother will cut the strips and you have to apply the favigum. You have to apply the favigum and stick this and paste this strip like this. Okay, as you can see here, I have prepared for you. Okay, this is my lad and you have to prepare your right. It is looking nice, children, right? Nice. Oh, that's great. Let me show you. I have so many. Wait, let me show you the other. Children, you can fold this. See, this is a crazy look. This is other ways to give it crazy look. Like you can fold the paper. See, you can fold the strip like this. आप बच्चे इस स्ट्रिप को ऐसे मोड़ सकते हैं, कैसे भी मोड़ के इसको ऐसे पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. सी आप इसको ऐसे मोड़ कर ऐसे स्ट्रिप कर सकते हैं. आपको इसको क्रेजी लुक देना है तो सी मैम ने इसको ऐसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा जैसे भी है क्रेज इसको फोल्ड कर दिया था और ये देखिए इसका ऐसा लुक आ गया है. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ क्रेजी लुक, राइट? तो आपको ऐसे ही करना है चिल्ड्रन. और if you use watercolor, then let me show you something. See, if you want to use watercolor, how I give this look. For this you need one water bottle, one useless. It is a waste material, children, and you have to mix use the watercolor. I have used yellow color and mix it with the water, and now I am going to dip my bottle. Actually it is dry like that. Okay, see, I have dipped it. Now I will put it here. See, right? So you have to use, you can give it crazy look like this. You can give it crazy look like this, or you can use strips as well. It is your choice, children. Okay, you have options. You can stick the rubber band as well. Okay, I am telling you both things. मैम ने आपको बच्चों दोनों बता दी हैं. चाहे तो आप ऐसे बॉटल यूज करके ऐसे कर लो, चाहे तो आप स्ट्रिप्स पेस्ट कर लो like this. You can see here how many I have prepared for you. One this way straight crazy look, okay, and one little bit different. You have fold the strips and now it's looking like this, and the other is this one, which I have already done it. You can use the color of your choice. Okay children. Okay, and for here you can use rubber band as well. Okay, or if you don't have water bottle, you can use any cap. This is available at your home, I know very well. Okay, children, so this is all about crazy lad, and last activity. It will develop your fine motor skills. Okay, I hope you all are interested to do this activity. So be prepared for this. Okay, be prepared for this, and this is such a funny activity, I know. And after completing it, you have to click the picture with this lad. Okay, children, I hope you got it, what you have to do in this activity. Okay, my lovely children, I hope. Okay, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home, be healthy, keep smiling. Bye bye.